Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing well. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Decor. In this channel, we create decoration ideas just for you and we upload videos every day. So stay connected with us and watch all our previous videos. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. So, as you all know, different people have different choices. In this channel, we upload different types of decoration ideas. In this video, you will see some beautiful, stunning and unique laundry room designs for your home. So don't skip, watch this video till end. These designs are very beautiful. I hope everyone will love these designs. So that's the end. I will be back with some stunning decoration ideas very soon. Share this video with your friends and loved ones. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new latest videos. Thank you. Goodbye viewers. Take good care of yourself and family members. Allah Hafiz.